Good day everyone. I am Jiban Jyoti from High Tech Medical College and Hospital. I am a third year MBBS student. Today I am very much thankful to the CBS publishers for gifting me such a good book in surgery, that is Manipal Manual of Surgery 6th edition. So today I am going to open this booklet and see what is there inside. And now we are going to open. Okay, so this is our book, that is Manipal Manual 6th edition surgery book. So first of all, we have some advertisement banners which will be placed in our college notice board, and this is from CBS publishers. After that, there is some guidelines that it is a privilege complimentary card and a free book giveaway by the CBS publishers, and privilege card number is there also. Now it is from the publishers. It is appreciation letter from the CBS publishers for gifting me such a beautiful things for the benefit of the student in the student ambassador program. So this is the book, that is Manipal Manual of Surgery, and it is the 6th edition newly launched book. And previously we are learning the same book, we are learning from the same book, that is but the 5th edition, but now we are going to learn from the 6th edition book. So we will open it. This book contains 2 volumes, that is volume 1 and here is the volume 2. We have 2 volumes of Manipal Manual of Surgery, and it is very good, written by K. Rajgopal Sinoy. So from today onwards we are going to read this book and give a detailed review in our upcoming revision sessions, upcoming videos. And here there is a scratch code, we can scratch it and we can also avail the free storage that is present in the mobile application and the free study materials also. Then here it is, since it is the competency based book, so as per CBME curriculum this is upgraded and this is the new curriculum. Here the competencies are given first and after that the detail chapters begins, and as per CBME curriculum the book is thoroughly revised. So I am going to read this book. This is a volume 1 and this is the volume 2, and after that I will give the review, because previously the same book I was reading and what are the updates or what are the new things that are included. Now we will learn that what are the new things that is included. Probably it is written in the back side that this edition it contains illustrations, there is MCQ questions, key boxes, wisdom lines, tables, and clinical notes and keynotes, flowcharts, 10 CBME competencies, and it is a concise, comprehensive, complete, precise and simple, updated, colorful book. So you can see how much colorful it is and how much diagrams are given. In every page there is a diagram, and it is well written with the beautiful diagrams and proper indications and proper labeling of the diagram. There is flowcharts, there is tables, and we can see that even the quality of the diagram is very much HD high definition. And here we have the endoscopic pictures, and these pictures are also will help us to understand the surgery in a better way. So thank you CBS publishers for giving such an opportunity or such an good iconic textbook for this vast subject like surgery. So thank you, and I will give the detailed review later. Thanks a lot. Thank you.